You know, there's nothing funner than playing with frozen tarps in sub-zero temperatures. Nothing more fun than messing with the multiple drops. Playing this LTL game, open deck thing. Well, it really sucks working with frozen tarps, but at least I could just peel that back a little bit. Get that off. And that other little box there goes to Rock Springs, so I'll have to do the same thing. But over here on the back of this pile, I've got a couple of small pieces that go here in Salt Lake, so I'll have to peel this side off. Like I'm saying, these tarps are frozen. They're real stiff, but I guess it ain't too bad. We'll get her did either way. So just gotta wait on these guys to come on out here and get their one little box. So afterward, we come over here to another spot in Salt Lake City to drop this piece off. 4 little bundles. Yeah, tear up your beautiful tarp job for 4 little bundles. Then we're gonna cruise across Interstate 80 over to Rock Springs, Wyoming, where I dropped off that other little box. Boy, unpredictable Wyoming this time of year. Or all year, really. That's the name of the game. Here we are over in Colorado, playing with frozen tarps. Well, it's -6 here in Loveland, Colorado this morning. I'm going to show you just what we're working with when your open deck guys, flatbedders, step deck guys talk about frozen tarps. Your tarps turn to cardboard. Oh, that's it right there. It's gonna be fun to fold those. Well, looky here. A special package has arrived in the mail for me today. It's my new height stick from MYTEE Products. Now, I haul a lot of big machinery, equipment, vehicles that may cause me to be over a legal height on my trailer. So I need something like this to keep me out of trouble. Keep me out of DOT's sight. Keep me from hitting bridges and stuff like that, you know? Let's try this dude out. Now, some might say, Duna, that's a pretty big stick. I'd say, well, it's not the size of the stick, it's how you use it. Now, look there. We're under legal height. We're so freaking good, man. Now, this thing's easy to put away, and you can stash it right under your bunk in the truck. Thank you, MYTEE Products.
Hey, Duna. Here we are, mate. Bottom of the South Island. Doing the express grocery run this morning, mate. Hope you're all good. Hope that new Peterbilt's treating you well, and looking forward to seeing a nice detailed round the cab sort of view of the truck. So this is us down in the deep south of New Zealand, mate. We don't do the Peterbilts. Kenworth K200, mate. That's the way we rock it. Have a goodie, mate. Be safe.
What do you have to say? Oh, yeah.
He's sitting here. He's like, what the hell are you laughing at? Can you see his face? I don't know if you can see it or not. He's like, what are you laughing at? I go in to check in this place and come back. And he just, this is how it goes a lot of times. He freaks out when I'm gone, and then he'll rush the way he's sitting, man. I'll come back and then he'll rush over here and sit. He sits here like he ain't done nothing, like he ain't been freaking out. He looks at me, come here, buddy. And he looks at me all funny. He's learning to not wig out so much when I'm gone. He sits like that a lot. Try not to look like he's a crybaby. But he is. He misses me every time I step outside. He's wigging out. But it's okay. I miss him too when I'm gone. Oh, you want some back scratches? He wants some back scratches. Oh yeah, buddy. Well, I'm picking up this oversized load over here in Milwaukee, so I better start dressing the part. This thing is going somewhere in Virginia, but I'm just taking it over to the yard in Janesville where they're going to take it off, and they'll end up putting it on someone else. I spent the rest of the night loading this load right here. This took all damn night. It's going to be going to Phoenix, but I'm going to go to the house first. I want to show you something. Just stopped at Field here at South Beloit, Illinois. Man, we're going home, dude. And so I've got some Monster Energy drinks and these little chocolates that are full of caffeine and whatever. But you know, I want to show you something. Every now and then I like to show how I eat on the road. There's a Denny's here, and I ordered some Denny's to go. I ordered it as the fuel was going. Oh, fuck. But I'll show you something, you know. I keep tortillas. Now, just want to get this going. You want to roll down the road, man. Just get your tortilla. Did you just stack this stuff? You know, you take your stuff. I got scrambled eggs, potatoes, bacon. Man, you just look at there. Stack this shit in there. Now this is for all you weirdos like me. You know, you just keep some tortillas. Now it's best to warm them up, Or, you know, you ain't got a stove to all heat them up like you see all these other guys do on the internet or whatever. But so this is just, you know, whatever. But you just throw them in there like this. Man, breakfast taco, man. You know what I mean? I'll probably make this going down the road, you know what I mean? Well, whatever. They're good. Tortillas, you can just throw whatever in there, man. And it's not cultural appropriation, you see? We live in the United States where there's all kinds of people here, man. And to get along, we share our cultures and we welcome other cultures to share our cultures, man. Whether it's holidays or whatever, man, like Santa Claus. Isn't he from like Scandinavia? Like, that's my folks, man. I'm happy to share Santa Claus with you. And the Mexicans are happy to share their tortillas with me. And I fucking love it, man. I love America. So, if you're one of them folks that's all about, oh, that's cultural appropriation, man, get the fuck off of it. You're racist. You're a segregationist. You know what I mean? You believe in segregation. So, I just want to get that off my chest. We live in America, man. The land of the free, home of the brave. And I love you all. Thanks for not telling me I can't do something because of my skin color. I love this shit. Hey guys, I just want to thank you for watching and to please consider subscribing if you like this video or all the rest of them, and give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down, whatever you think it deserves, and find me on Facebook and Instagram. Thanks again for watching and please consider subscribing. Hey everybody, this is the Traveling Man doing a living stone. Would you like to be a part of the show? Send me a video via Facebook Messenger or send me a private message on Instagram. I ain't too hard to find. There's only one Dooner Livingstone on this planet. Send me a video of your truck, what you're hauling. Show me some weird-ass talent you got, whatever. Something to be a part of the show. Share your opinion, share your thoughts. You ain't got to be a truck driver to do it. Just whatever. You want to be a part of the show? Send me something. I'll put you up, if I like it anyway. No masturbating, no porn, none of that kind of shit.
What the fuck, Chuck?